Get ready. Już tobie upawało?
Jesteś na live. Patrz, jesteś na live.
Nie mam.
Co, a lecisz do Papena?
Się ruszyć, bo mi się chce spać.
No dzisiaj taki dzień trochę. No. Ciężkawy dzień.
To zrobię trening. Muszę żeby rozruszać, bo ja tak to nie zrobię trening.
No. A tutaj oglądam takiego znanego tradera i on właśnie sobie leci 400 tysiącoma złotymi. No. I ma teraz 514, czyli już przeszło 100 tysięcy zarobił. A on tego live'a robi od 2 dni chyba.
Today for the Bitcoin price, and yes guys, you probably saw this title and you are thinking, Chris, are you completely crazy right now? Well, hear me out guys, if you watch this video until the very end, I can promise you, most of you, at least 95% will agree with me. I have never been that bullish on Bitcoin. Am I talking here about the immediate short? About the breakout direction for Bitcoin? Well, not necessarily, but I will talk about that as well. What I want to show you is some crazy, mind-blowing, game-changing news for Bitcoin Stick here with me until the very end. I can promise you guys, if you click that video, you are in for a treat. Also make sure you smash up the like button towards a new all-time high, and you join the Crypto, the lovely Crypto family. Down below, if you scroll down below, you press subscribe, you press the bell and press on all, then you can make sure that you are not a slave to the YouTube algorithm and you decide what videos you want to watch. Now let's go straight into the content. I will talk about my trade. I will also talk about my price targets and my price predictions for Bitcoin in the immediate short term. Let's go into the charts, and before I share with you this crazy game-changing news, I wanted to talk about the Bitcoin price in the immediate short term. And as you can see, we are still, believe it or not, in that symmetrical triangle. But guys, there's no way around, no way to redraw the charts. Now, the breakout is actually more than imminent, and I'm talking about the next few 4-hourly candles. I am talking about this day, today, Friday. And as you can see, we broke down towards the downside. I was talking about how this support is getting weaker and weaker the more we are testing it. Now we are testing it more and more again. Something is telling me maybe we should get very vigilant here for a potential breakout towards the upside even, because this breakdown towards the downside caused by Elon Musk, caused by Donald Trump, it was actually bought up exactly at the golden pocket, and usually a fake out towards the downside is bullish for Bitcoin. So right now, as before I said the breakdown towards the downside is more likely, now I would lean a little bit more towards the upside. This shouldn't affect your trading decision because you should wait until the breakout. And if Bitcoin were to break out towards the upside, and I have some crazy news for you as well, stick here with me, also charting wise, the conservative price target here would be close to the 50k US dollar level. If we break towards the downside, I still think we are not going to reach this price target of 24,000 US dollars. If we break towards the upside, I, however, think we are going to reach it. On the 4-hourly ribbon, we can see something, and I have to load this chart here a little bit. Just wait with me for a second. There it is. So right now you can see, if Bitcoin manages to just close this 4-hourly candle, then look at this, the 4-hourly ribbon, and this is something I've been waiting for a very long time, is about to flip bullish. It's not confirmed yet, guys. We need a little bit more of sideways upwards price action, but so far it is about to flip bullish, and this is usually a good thing. However, we have to stay above. The retest after flipping bullish has to be positive, and otherwise, well, we can see something like that. So far, I am leaning a little bit more towards the bullish side, the first time since a few weeks. So let's wait here and see what happens on that regard. I wanted to show you something, and guys, honestly, like, if you hear me out, you will understand the severity and significance of that news. Let me go over, first of all, over to Twitter. And also, guys, by the way, I wanted to remind you, go down below. If you click this link here in the pinned comment, it's the very first link, and you want to trade the upcoming volatility I was just talking about, you can claim yourself a 1,600 US dollar free bonus. Step number 1, click the link. Can't be easier than that. Step number 2, make your own account. Takes like 12 seconds or so, and after your initial deposit, you can claim this bonus for your own trading. And the nicest thing is, you can withdraw the profits from this free bonus trade and add the Bitcoin profits to your hot link portfolio. This is always something I'm doing myself. I'm taking profits in Bitcoin and I'm adding it to my hot link portfolio. This is it, guys. This is the news, not the news of today. I wanted to tell you something else, but this is the news of a few days ago. El Salvador is adopting Bitcoin as currency. But this is not the end, guys. If you just type in Bitcoin on Google, you get swarmed from these news. And this, guys, this, ladies and gentlemen, Eduardo Murak Hinojosa, sorry if I pronounced it wrong, he is the federal government of Mexico representative, and he was posting on Twitter, guess what? The laser eyes. So this is, of course, his price target for 100k. But the most important thing is that right now, countries, not only like El Salvador, no, I'm talking about neighbor countries, I'm talking about BRICS states, second world countries. They are FOMOing on this train. El Salvador was just the first mover. Mexico is probably the next one. And now think about this chain reaction of FOMO events of countries rushing into Bitcoin, adopting it as legal tender. Guys, this is the reason why I've been never more bullish than that. This is what we actually need to onboard the last piece of mainstream. People need legitimacy. People need a safety net. People need something like the government telling them that it is a legit thing. And even though we don't need it because Bitcoin is not asking for permission, because Bitcoin is a decentralized currency, right? We don't need all of that. But some people need it. And this is why I'm so bullish on Bitcoin. This is certainly very bullish news, guys. And I want to see 10,000 likes on that video if you agree with me here on the bullishness of that specific news. Let me know about that in the comment section down below. And of course, here I can show you my trade quick. Alright guys, I had to cut that out. Here you can see this is my trade. I put in 1 million US dollars now. I know it's a lot of money, but comparably a small trade. If we were to break out towards the upside, I will add to this position another million or 2 million US dollars. I will scale higher as the price goes higher. If we were to break down though, there's always the possibility, guys. It's always like that. I will definitely put a stop loss way below the support to hedge my bets here, but definitely not close below the support because we can always expect some takeouts. Also, by the way, guys, if you want to be trading as well, I already told you before in the pinned comment down below, you can trade your own, you can claim your own bonus and trade this volatility in the future yourself. Let me know what you think about that. And besides all the noise, besides all the short-term analysis here, the big news is countries adopting Bitcoin as legal tender. If you've been here for a few years, in 2016 or so it was, I think, Japan made Bitcoin actually a legal currency as well. And man, like the biggest bull run in history actually followed afterwards, and Bitcoin rose to 19,700. Let me know what you think about that. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for watching until the very end. I'm now going to enjoy this beautiful view here in Mykonos. I truly love you. I truly appreciate you. Thank you so much for joining the ML Crypto family. And as always, guys, as always, bye-bye.
Please, please don't say anything, please. Please. We don't have to tell her. It can totally be just like our secret. I will do anything. I'll do chores for like a whole month. You don't have to give me an allowance or anything. For like a month. Like, please, please, please.